Good morning, children.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
How are you all? Fine?
Yeah, fine, thank you.
I'm good, ma'am.
Children, we are going to complete that chapter 3.2. So we were doing workbook page number 24.
24.
We completed, I think. 25 we can keep. Then what we are doing here, John Varghese,
Ma'am,
this chapter 3.2 is about
numbers,
numbers, and 3.2
expanded form and ascending and descending.
that all we have done. Ascending order and descending order. And children, this is compare and order. That is 3.2. We have completed expanded form in 3.1. Yes, 3.1 we have done number name, expanded form, face value, place value. Yes. Now 3.2 what we were doing? We were doing compare and order numbers. Yes. So now we are doing ascending order and descending order. Okay. So Hazel, can you tell me what do you mean by ascending order?
Smaller to bigger.
Arrangement of numbers from smallest to biggest. That is ascending order. Yes, Adira, can you give me what is the descending order?
Arrangement of big to small number.
So we can also say descending order means it is an arrangement of numbers from biggest to smallest. So we will have completed question number 18. So children, you can please check. I think question number 18B was homework. Yes. So we will check the answer now. Hail Teresa.
Ma'am, I did it.
Okay. Those who have done, please check. Hail Teresa, can you read question number 18 again?
Arrange the given numbers in.
Please be louder. Hail.
Arrange the given numbers in the ascending order.
Okay. So ascending order. Now, Yuvan, can you give me the answer? Question number B.
Okay, ma'am. 5,550.
So, children, we are writing the numbers in
55,
ascending order. So, question number B. So, what is the first number?
Ma'am, question number B.
Yes. See, children.
55,000.
55,000.
130.
130. That is the first number. Then
87,284.
yes.
87,356.
89,122. Children, those who have joined, please turn on your camera. All of you. Okay. So, children, you can see the answer here. Question number 18B, that was homework. Arrange the numbers in ascending order. So, children, we have discussed what is ascending order. An arrangement of numbers from smallest to greatest, or we can say smallest to biggest. So, children, please check. Yuvan said the answers correctly. You can check whether your answer is correct. So, what is the first number? This is 55,130. Next one, 87,284. 284. Then the next number, third number, that is 87,356. Then the next one, the last one, 89,122. So I hope all of you got the correct answer. Yes? Now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Sringavias, can you read question number 19?
Form the greatest and the smallest 5-digit number.
Again. What do you say? Form.
Form the greatest and the smallest 5-digit numbers by using the given digits and find their difference.
Okay. So question number 19, children, we have the digits. Can you give me the digits, Srinka?
A,
No. Give me the question. 6. 6. 1.
1, 8, 3,
8.
3,
Then?
0.
3, 0. So children, this is the numbers given. Okay, numbers given. We have to, what we have to do?
We should find the greatest and the smallest
Greatest number. So children, greatest number, in which order we have to arrange the numbers?
Descending order.
Descending order. Okay, can you give me the answer? From the greatest 5-digit number. Okay, so I'll start. Greatest 5-digit number is equal to. Okay, Sringa, can you help me?
86,310.
number. First, we will write the first number, that is greater number. Which is the greater number here?
86,310.
No. Tell me the digits. We will say first digit. You can say the biggest number. What is that?
8.
8. Okay. 1 minute. Tell me. So here we have 8. So that is the first digit. So greatest 5-digit number. Children, if you want, you can write the greatest 5-digit number that can be formed. So, yes, I write here first 8. Okay, then?
Excuse me, ma'am. Form the first we have to write that number.
First, we will write the greatest number. Then we will write the smallest number. Then we have to find the difference.
Ma'am, I said that we have to write that question, that digit.
No need to write the question. That is for, I just want to explain. That's why.
Digits.
And we should write the greatest 5-digit.
Can you please wait? I will discuss. Okay. We will discuss. No need to write now. Okay. All of you, please listen. So who is giving me the answer now? Srinka. So children, I will tell you what we have to do. Okay. Please wait. Yes, Srinka, I have written 8. Then which digit we had to write?
6.
6. 8. 6.
3.
3.
1.
1.
0.
0. Okay. So this is the greatest number. Okay. Athar, can you read the number? Which is the greatest 5-digit number we made with these digits?
86,000.
86,000.
301.
301. Can you check the numbers again?
86,331.
86,000. Okay, that is correct. How many hundred?
300.
300. And how many? Which is the next number? Last 2 digits. What is that number?
1.
Is it 1? 8, 6, 3, 1, 0. How to read that number?
0 itself.
10. Yes. So read the number again. 86,000.
86,300.
Can you see the board? I have written here. Can you see the board?
Ma'am, can I? 86,300.
Yes, children, can you read the number?
86,310.
So, children, can you see the color? If I'm writing on the board, the number is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, I will write it again here. 86310. How to read this number? 86,310. Sir, can you read this number I am writing now? 86301. How to read this number?
86,300.
I asked Atharv again. Atharv.
86,301.
301. This is 301. So how to write 86,310? Look at the number here. 86,310 here. So you have to read the numbers carefully. Okay. Otherwise it will be wrong. If you change the numbers 8, 6, 3, 1. Instead of 1, if you write 0, 1, that is not the greatest number. Yes, children. So what you have to do? You have to arrange the numbers in decreasing order, or we can say that is in descending order. Okay, Hazel, can you give me the next number? That is smallest. We can write here the greatest 5-digit number. And the next one, we are writing the smallest 5-digit number. We can make from this.
And we want to write this.
Wait. I will give you time. Okay, just because if you are listening properly, question number B you can do alone. Yes, Hazel. Tell me which are the. We can see the digits over on the board and make a 5-digit, that is smallest number from these digits.
0.
If I write 0, okay, let me see. 0.
1.
1.
3.
3.
6.
6.
8.
8. Okay, can you read this number?
1368.
1368, but that is only a 4-digit number. I asked you 5-digit number. Yes, Janvi, can you help me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
1 we want to write in the
1 we had to write in the beginning. Yes, very good. Then
0.
0.
Then 36.
3, 6, 8. Okay, now can you read this number?
Mammy,
Yes, yes, Janvi, the last year, this number.
10,368.
10,368. Okay, children, did you get the difference? Yes, Hazel? Did you understand the mistake? I told you we cannot write 0 in the beginning, because 0, if you write in the beginning, there is no value. We can say only that is 1,000. 1,000 is how many digit only? 4 digit. Yes, if you want to make a 5-digit number, there should be number in 10,000's place. So if you write 0 in the beginning, that is not only a 4-digit number. Yes, Hazel, did you get the mistake? Did you understand? Okay, so children, we cannot write 0 in the beginning. We had to write 0 in the second place. Okay, so what is that number? 10,368. Okay. 10,368. Now, children, you can write. Now, the next step, you can now write this in your workbook. Difference. Next, you have to find out the difference. Difference between what? These are 5-digit, greatest 5-digit number and smallest 5-digit number. Children, you can write, okay? So here 86310 minus 10,368. So these 3 steps we had to write. First step, the greatest 5-digit that can be formed using these digits. Then the second step, that is the smallest 5-digit number that we can make using these digits. And the last step, that is difference. Difference means what do you have to do, children? Yes?
Subtract.
Yes, subtract and find out the answer.
And now we want to write.
Yes. And children, you have to do now question number B also. Question number B, children, I will write here the digits. Question number B, 8, 0, 1, 2, 9. That is the second number, that is question number B. That you have to do the same like this, the greatest 5-digit number, the smallest 5-digit number, and the difference. Okay, children, what's the answer? Who got the answer? Anyone? Difference.
Ma'am,
Who can give me the answer?
ma'am, can I?
Yes. 1 minute. Let me. Okay. Who can give me the answer? Tell me.
Ma'am, can I?
Ah,
Ma'am, can I?
let me see how many are going to tell me the answer. Raise your hands. Okay. Adira, give me the answer. Your answer is correct, but you are. It was not audible. Atira.
Ma'am, can I?
Ah, yes. Okay, Sringa.
75,942.
Okay, Catherine, what's your answer?
75,942.
Okay, Hazel, what's your answer?
75,942.
Okay, what about Sringa?
75,900.
Okay, all of you got the correct answer. Very good. So, children, you can write the answer here. The difference, that is 75,942. So, this is the answer. Very good. Okay, now continue question number B. First step, you had to write the greatest 5-digit number. Second step, the smallest 5-digit number. Then the last one, that is difference. Now, children, we are going to write question number 19B. And I have given you the digits here. That is 8, 0, 1, 2, 9. Ameya, can you give me the greatest 5-digit number?
Ma'am, 98,000.
1 minute, 1 minute. The greatest
5-digit number.
5-digit number. Give me as digits, 5-digit number. Then we will read the number later. The great number. Okay. So first we have to write 9. Okay. This 9 is the greatest. Then
8,
next greatest 8. 9. Then 8. Then 2. 2 is also over.
1,
1. Okay.
0.
0. Okay. How to read this number?
98,210.
Yes. 98,210. Okay. Next. Adidev MB. Give me the smallest. The smallest 5-digit number.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Ah.
1,
Yes. 1,
0,
0,
2,
2,
8,
8,
9.
9. Okay. So here 1, 0, 2, 8, 9. Can you read this number?
10,289.
Yes, 10,289. Very good. Now children, find out the difference.
Ma'am, I finished.
Finish. Those who finish, please wait. I want all of you to do alone. Difference. Which is the greatest number? 98,210. Then you have to do minus with 10,289. Find out the answer. 1 minute. After 1 minute, we will discuss the answer.
Ma'am, I finished.
So how many have completed? Can you raise your hand?
What is the number?
The number. You have to make the number. Here, you have to make
Can you please
the
wait
number.
for 1 minute?
Then you have to do the smallest 5-digit number. Then you have to find out the difference.
For 1 minute.
I will give you 1 more minute. Find out alone. All the children has to do the calculations alone. If you have completed, you can raise your hand. I can see some children have raised the hand. Okay. Okay, Asad, can you give me the answer?
Ma'am, for the large greatest
No, difference.
difference. 19,540.
Check again. Yes, Hazel, tell me which is your answer.
87,921.
Okay. Now, who is going to tell me the next? Yes, Catherine.
87,921.
Okay. Pranav, what is your answer?
87,921.
Okay. Prarthana, what is your answer?
87,921.
Now, okay. Mayasa, what is your answer?
87,921.
Yes. So many children I can see they are raising the hand. All of you got this answer? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So all of you got this answer. So
Yes, ma'am.
Asad, please check again. 87,921. Okay. Now, children, if you have any doubt, we can check here. 98210. You have to subtract which number from that? 10,289. 10,289. So we cannot subtract here. So what you have to do? Borrow. Here it is 10. Okay, so here 10, 9. Then we have 2 here because we 2 minus 2 here. So it here 9, then 8 minus 0. Then we have to take 7, 9 minus 1, that is 8. 8, 7, 9, 2, 1. So children, if we cannot subtract, what you have to do? Borrow. So 10 minus 9, that is 1. So here we have already here. Borrow again. Here it is now 10 minus 8, 2. Here then we had to here 1. Then from 11 minus 2, 9. Then 8, 7 minus 0, that is 7. See, don't forget to do the. Okay, so all of you got this answer correct? Let me see how many got correct answer. Raise your hand. Yes. Almost all of you got correct answer. Very good. Now, children, question number 20. Yes. Vedika, can you read question number 20?
Yes, ma'am. Arrange the given numbers in descending order.
Okay, descending order. What we had to do? Descending order means what we have to do?
Biggest to smaller.
Biggest to smallest. All the children do it this now alone. Question number 20. We have A, then we have B, C, and D. Biggest to smallest. Children, please let me take the attendance, okay? Adidev MB.
Present, ma'am. Ma'am,
Ah.
in question number 20, we want to arrange in a descending order.
Yes, only descending order, okay? Only descending order. Arush. Arush. Present. Achut. I can take, you have, all of you have the workbook with you, no? No need to write the numbers. So what you have to do? Descending order. What is descending order, children? We discuss now. Arrange the numbers from biggest to smallest. Okay. Achut. Present. Aditri.
Present, ma'am.
Adidev MJ.
Present, ma'am.
Aditya Krishna. Aditya. No.
Absent.
Advaita,
Present, ma'am.
Alex Princeton,
Present, ma'am.
Ameya,
Present, ma'am.
Anne Maria. Anne Maria? Anne Maria is absent? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Aris Nihal?
Present, ma'am.
Arjun Vinayak? Arjun? Atar?
Present, ma'am.
Atira?
Present, ma'am.
Ain Maria?
Present, ma'am.
Asad?
Present, ma'am.
Catherine?
Present, ma'am.
Evelyn?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Hadi?
Present, ma'am.
Hail Teresa?
Present, ma'am.
Then Hazel Joby?
Present, ma'am.
Janvi?
Present, ma'am.
Joanne Burgess? Joyrick?
Present, ma'am.
Mayasa? Nihariga? Nihariga is not there?
Ma'am.
Absent. Okay.
No, ma'am.
Nihariga is not there. Okay. Niran?
Present, ma'am.
Pranav?
Present, ma'am.
Prarthana?
Present, ma'am.
Sri Bhadra?
Present.
Sri Rugda?
Present, ma'am.
Srenga?
Present, ma'am.
Ringa?
Present, ma'am.
Sweden? Vaishnav?
Present, ma'am.
Vediga?
Present, ma'am.
Yuvan?
Present, ma'am.
Dhananjay? Yes,
Sweden is
Dhananjay.
present.
Absent. Huh?
Sweden is present.
Okay, I'm asking now Dhananjay. Sweden, I have given you attendance. Yes, children? Dhananjay is absent?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So, children, can you give me the answer? Question number A. Who can give me Vaishnav?
Ma'am, Catherine,
Ah,
can
Vaishnav. Yes, Vaishnav. Give me the answer of question number A.
42,710.
42,742. Okay, 42,710. Then
42,170.
42,170. Yes. 33,690.
690. 32,690.
32,690. 32,690. Very good. So, children, this is descending order and arrangement of numbers from biggest to smallest. Okay. Now, Advaita, can you give me the answer of question number B?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah, ma'am. 90. 90,000.
90,000.
90,351.
Yes. 351. Yes.
88,651.
Okay. 88,651.
87,325.
87,325. And the last number.
951.
83,951. 83,951. Okay. Then we can discuss, I think, one more question. Children, if you are not completed, you can do as homework. Yes, Iris Nihal, are you ready? Question number C. Iris?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you say louder?
Ma'am, can I
Ah.
say? 63,000. Ma'am, Catherine.
63. Okay, Catherine, it's not audible, Iris. I think it's audio is feeble. Yes, Catherine, give me the answer faster.
Ma'am, can you hear me? 63,152.
63,152.
63,142.
63,142.
62,415.
62,415.
62,413.
62,413. Okay, children, now do that question number D as homework. Okay, We can discuss that later. Now the time is over. Children, if you have completed, very good. But those who have not completed, all of you has to do alone, no? So what we have to do, the time is over now. That's why we will wind up the session. Okay, children. Bye bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Nice day. Bye.
Bye.